Hello everyone, myself Rekha Ghorpade. Welcome to Blossom Public School and Junior College. Yes, today we are going to study about public facilities. Yes, public facilities from Political Science chapter 9th. So what is public facilities? Yes, the people, the citizen of a country, what we needs, which facilities we needs in our daily life, that is called as public facilities. When we join these two words, public and facilities, means facilities which are needed by the public is called as public facilities, like education, health, sanitization, drinking water, etc. But who provides this all these facilities? Yes, so there is someone who provides this all these facilities, and who is this someone? Yes, of course, that is our government, and government plays a very crucial role in providing these public facilities. Yes, so here education, yes, we have seen that in earlier days rulers and kings, they were providing some facilities, and many people, those who belong to poor family, they were not getting education. So this government, they provided midday meal for the students in the school, so to increase the strength of the students. Yes, also health is there. You can see health problem. Government has provided many government hospitals. Yes, so these all facilities. See, in this pandemic situation also, you can see government has provided us different COVID centers. Yes, so this government provides us. But again, these facilities are provided by private companies also. But private companies, they provide these facilities to increase their profit. But government provides these facilities to everyone, whether he is a rich or whether he is a poor. So many different facilities are there which are provided by a people, which are provided by a government. Yes, and government, from where they bring this money, from where they provide these facilities, and all the facilities provided by the government comes from the revenue. What is meant by revenue? You have studied in earlier chapter also. Revenue means the taxes collected by the peoples. The peoples, those who are paying the different taxes, like road tax is there, house tax is there, these all are taxes the people pay. Yes, these all taxes collected by the people, these are spent to provide these facilities to the people. Yes, and what are the benefits of these facilities? The benefits of these facilities are that each and every people, as a citizen of our country, can take benefits of this, take advantage of these facilities. Yes, so you can see more poor people, they are not able to go to the private hospitals and spend more money. They are not having that much money. Yes, so they for them, there are the government hospitals also. Yes, which are provided by the government. Yes, so government provides the hospital facilities also. And also we can see the major problem of water. Yes, so more problem of water is there in more areas. In slum areas, you can see that there is a problem of drinking water, unsafe drinking water, means there is no clean water. Yes, and because of this unclean water, there is many waterborne diseases. Yes, so because of this waterborne diseases, many people die also. So here also government ensure that each and every people have access to water. Yes, each and every people have access to fresh and clean water, to drink fresh and clean water. So government provides this facility also to the poor people also and to the rich people also. Yes, this is a major problem in our country, that many peoples are not having access to drinking water. So our government provides fresh and clean water. These facilities government has provided for us. And in many areas we can see the peoples, even though government is providing the fresh and clean water, the peoples, what they are doing, they are wasting the water, they are not using it properly. So that is our duty, like a citizen of our country, we are citizen of our country, that is our duty, that we have to save the water, we have to use it very properly. Yes, so these all facilities are provided by the government. Yes, so these are the public facilities which we use, the peoples use, and it is provided by the government. Here from this lesson, what we are learning, the facilities which we need, which we use in our daily life, it is provided by government, and all the things which is provided by the government, it is beneficial to all the peoples as a citizen of a country. Yes, so we are living in a democratic country, and it is our right, and now our constitution has added, our constitution has recognized this, that water is also a right to life. Yes, they added that right to life is water, health, education. This everything is right to life, right to our life. Yes. So here what we have learned in this lesson, that all the public facilities like education, sanitization, education, sanitization, schools, everything is provided by government, and this is our need. So it is provided by government, and it is very important that each and every citizen of a country, each and every people should have right to take advantage of these facilities, take benefit of these facilities. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.